In a charming town, families gathered for a cozy movie night under the stars. Deep inside a cozy cave, a little dragon named Sparky watched a film with his loving parents. Suddenly, a tiny tickle began to build in Sparky's nose, a peculiar sensation. He let out a small sneeze, and a puff of smoke gently escaped his nostrils. Then, with another sneeze, a shower of perfectly popped popcorn burst forth, startling everyone. The cave quickly filled, and soon, popcorn began to spill out into the quiet town streets. Sparky's sneezes grew more frequent and powerful, creating a massive popcorn storm. Houses were covered, streets buried, and the townspeople looked up in utter amazement. But soon, their surprise turned to joy as children began to laugh and play in the soft, fluffy popcorn. The entire town transformed into a giant, whimsical popcorn playground. Popcorn fights broke out, laughter echoed, and the air was filled with pure, unadulterated fun. Sparky, initially worried, saw the joy he'd created and let out a happy, popcorn-filled sneeze. The townspeople embraced this unique popcorn festival, celebrating with delight. Sparky was cuddled by his parents, still occasionally sneezing small bursts, but now with a happy smile. And so, the popcorn-covered town glowed under the moonlight, a truly magical sight.